take a look at this 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. This particular car has undergone a frame-off rotisserie restoration. It is powered by an inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission. As you can see, paint on it, I'd call it similar to an Ember Glow, maybe just a tad darker. Black stripes are painted on the car also, and the paint does show well. It's a little older restoration, but still shows well. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front bumper, chrome grille, headlight surrounds. All appear to be in nice shape. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats up front, shifter on the floor. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures and take a look at the underside of this car, you're going to see what I mean by the frame-off restoration, condition it's in, engine bay interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description or see it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check it out. And of course, phone number 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car and you can see how clean the paint is. Bodywork above and below, in front of and behind the wheel wells. Do not see any bubbling, anything coming back through. And like I said, it's a little older restoration, but still in very nice shape. Very stock looking interior, yeah. We'll check that out a little closer when we get around to the driver's side. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear chrome, or is it tail light, bezels, rear bumper, also shows very nicely. Exhaust manifold gasket has just been replaced in this, by the way. Other than that, went through the shop, checked out very good. Kind of a turnkey car, get in and get ready to go. Played around the interior a little bit, windshield wipers worked, radio worked, blower fan works. Interior lights work on this one, very bright when you open the doors, and I'm going to show you that here in about 2 seconds. Just want to show you the paint on this passenger side. Also shows very well, top to bottom. And again, speaking of bottom, check out the underside of this car in the still pictures. All right, boom, there's those interior lights. Door panels look good. I have still pictures of the floor mats out, so you can see the carpeting underneath them. Great shape. You can see the vinyl seats, also in nice shape. Pretty free of any sort of wear or showing any type of wear. There's a nice addition in this car. Armrest and a couple cup holders. Definitely will come in handy. See the 6x9s on the rear deck. JBL speakers, Alpine stereo, very nice sound system in this car also. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Start it up, let you hear it run. See how easily it starts. All right, Alpine stereo system. Works great. Blower fan does work there too. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Wipers, show you those quick also. Run those a swipe. Wipers do work. Let's come down to the gauges. Fuel gauge, oil pressure, yes. Amp meter, yes. And I'm assuming a temp gauge is going to come up with the temperature of the car. Horn also. So everything working in here as it should. And again, you can see the carpeting all in nice shape on this car. Like I said, those interior lights are bright. Door closes, it fits nicely. Slip around to the rear. What you'd expect an inline 6 to sound like in a 65 Mustang. So you're looking at doing your local car cruises, local roll-ins, local shows. Nice 65 Mustang is not going to break the bank either. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay. It's a nice looking engine bay. I want you to take a peek at.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Also restored. When the rest of the car was done, painted the valve covers match. Pretty cool. You can just see how nice and tidy that engine bay is. Look at that gloss black paint finished on the interior of it. Underneath the hood. No need to be ashamed of having that hood open at all. Looks good. There you go, looking for a nice Mustang Coupe. 1965 Mustang Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.